If you're running a small business, chances are your own marketing department, which means at some point this week, you open up Canva, stared at a blank screen, or you made something for a long time that you actually didn't like in the end. That is actually not a you problem, but it's a starting point problem. And today I'm walking through all of this, how to integrate Canva to Claude AI so you don't have any of these problems. And in the end, you only need to describe what you want and Claude does it for you and it shows up on Canva. The first step is to connect Canva to Claude. First, you need to open up Claude and go to the connectors page and search for Canva in the integrations. And as you know, this is completely free and it's built in, so you don't need no developers for this integration. After you find Canva, you click on Canva and click the connect button. After that, simply log into your Canva account. And that's it. Canva is now connected to Claude, meaning you can describe anything you want in Claude and Claude will build it. It will appear on Canva. This process only takes about 2 minutes and you only need to do it once. So that's that. After it's all connected, you can do step 2, making the brief. This is actually just a description on what you need. And you can do this essentially in plain English. So no fancy design language needed. But the more specific you are with the brief, the better the output will be. Pro tip for making the briefs, you need to keep these 3 things in mind that actually makes a difference. First, you need to tell it the format, whether it's Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, LinkedIn banners, anything. You tell what you want for the format. Second tip is to tell what the design is for and give it a tone. For example, professional and clean gets a really different result than fun and colorful. Here you're not writing code, you only describe what you want, so the results get better. The third pro tip, you can actually ask Claude to make the prompt for you, to make it as detailed as possible. It makes the output better also. And please do this in a different conversation. Don't do it at the same chat box. And the last step, step 3, now you can open Canva and open the design yourself. So after you brief Claude, Claude makes the design and you can open the design in Canva as a fully editable file. Text you can click and change, colors you can swap, logos you can change, and even image placeholders you can change into your own. And when we tested this, the layout, the visual hierarchy are all on point. It was genuinely solid. It looked like something a designer would actually start with, not just an AI or a machine that spat it out, something that we can actually start from. And your job at this point is just to change the colors, change the logos, and make it adjusted to your actual brand. And yeah, that's it. There's this one thing that I need to say. Be honest, Claude doesn't know your brand yet. So when the design opens in Canva, the logo is just a placeholder. The fonts won't actually match your brand kit, and the colors will be just a reasonable guess, not your specific hex codes. That's maybe like 5 minutes of fixes. But honestly, at 5 minutes, I'm not complaining. Like, you go from 0 to a fully finished brand design in just 5 minutes. That is still a pretty good deal. Just go in knowing that the first draft still needs your finishing touches, and it's good to go. What gets really interesting is when this gets connected to the rest of your marketing tools. Imagine your email campaign briefs automatically triggers a matching social design in Canva, or your weekly promotions get integrated into your content calendar, even with designs that's already drafted. That's the direction where this is heading. We're building and testing those workflows now. So subscribe. If we put up a video like this, you can learn it yourself too. And hopefully you find all this useful. Subscribe, give a like, and yeah, we're trying to do this regularly, so hopefully you can learn something new about this and do it by yourself. See you in the next one.